Alerts are generated when the SmartHQ Service app probes the appliance for certain conditions that relate to an issue that is occurring during the operation of the appliance. Go to the dashboard screen to view the alerts. Click Alerts to view additional information about a specific alert. The GE appliances perform self-diagnostics and provide the resulting data in the form of fault codes. Go to the dashboard screen to view the fault codes and the resolution methods for these fault codes. These features extract the fault codes in an appliance and efficiently communicate issues to the technicians for better understanding. It also provides the technicians instructions on how to resolve an issue. Alerts notify the technician of problematic conditions that exist within the appliance and provides guidance regarding resolution.